Croeso I Coleg Gwent. Welcome to Coleg Gwent. Here we are at our City of Newport campus, where you'll find a fantastic range of courses on offer with industry standard facilities, like our Motor Vehicle Automotive Technician Accreditation Centre, Hair and Beauty Salons, Construction and Engineering Workshop, IT Suites and so much more. Newport is our most culturally diverse campus, where we offer English courses to speakers of other languages and welcome many mature learners returning to education for access and higher education courses. We also offer a wide range of part-time courses. There's something for everyone at Coleg Gwent, and we'd love you to join us. Take a look around using our 360 tour.